Morning we had class, but because of some confusion, both the sections together, etc., etc. Um, I thought he will be taking the class, and see later on I said I took only for A section. That's the reason why it was again put in the afternoon. Okay. See, first of all, before starting, in the last class only 3 were there. That's the reason why now again restarting the subject. Before going to the subject is a secondary part. First thing is, if we live, then only the subject comes into matter. Today's agenda is something slightly different. That is COVID scenarios. Okay. We have to start living with the COVID. See, now we cannot say नहीं अभी कोविड है वो है ये है हम ये नहीं कर सकता है वो नहीं कर सकता है वो सब नहीं चलता. See, we have to live with it. It has become part and parcel of our life. Therefore, for that reason, we have to keep calm. Even if it is not even a disease, it's not even a disease. It is a mental chaos created. Actually, everybody says, oh, if COVID comes now, he is going to die. It is not like that. See, if you have positive mindset, okay, and if you follow the protocols strictly, then definitely you are going to come out of that chaos. Therefore, be at home, see, be safe, do see some pranayams, yogas, etc., so that your mental conditions are motivated. Okay. Now, see, we were always thinking only for computer engineers, it is going to be remote working. Now, even for us, remote working is the future. We need to accept it. Okay, everything is going to be online. See, I told you, no, in the last class, only 3 were there. Even then I told, see, our VC, Karsidappa is saying, no, we cannot scrap this semester. We have to have this semester only. Something or the other, we have to have this semester, we will complete the semester. Therefore, everything is going to be online. See, when it is going to be online, there are some expectations from you also. What are those expectations? First and foremost thing is decide a place away from disturbances in your home whenever you are attending the classes. Attend the classes. Attend the classes every day from the same place. See, means there should be least disturbance in your home. See, don't sit besides your kitchen, wherein there will be some see ಪಾತ್ರೆ ತೊಳಿತಿರ್ತಾರ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊಳ 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 ಅನ್ಕಂತ ನೀವು ಬೈತಿರ್ತಾರ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. Okay, it should be a calm place wherein you can attend these classes. Then you should have a separate notebook, preferably for each and every subject. And as far as possible, for engineering subjects, you should have a plain notebook, not a ruled notebook. Okay, plain notebook, because we'll be drawing some figures, etc. Then rules, the lines of the, then that is going to confuse you. Therefore, you should have a plain notebook. Keep the notebooks at one place, and inculcate the habit of making your own personal notes. Don't say, sir, you give the notes for us. Okay, we'll give the notes. There is no problem for us. We'll give the notes. But since I told you it is going to be online, everything, you have to understand the subject. See, when we are teaching online, what we do is sorry for the disturbance. What we do is we will be rushing here and there. Therefore, you should have the habit of making your own notes. Therefore, see, anyway, you are not spending money for coming and going. Therefore, purchase one textbook. The best textbook for GT, for GT1, GT2, Foundation 1, Foundation 2, for 4 subjects is Punmia. That is sufficient for us. We are not going to score 90, 95, etc. If we score 90, even with this, you can score 90. But if you study from these, that is sufficient. Therefore, try to purchase one book. See, what I can suggest to you is you make a group, you collect the money, all of you together, order in bulk to the publisher. Yes, see, Amazon is there, online Flipkart is there, like that. You order, see, we want 20 copies, 30 copies, like that. Then it is going to be 30% discount, 40% discount, like that. Therefore, if you have a textbook of your own, that will be sufficient. That will be great use for us. Therefore, or see, if you want me to help, I can also help. You tell me, sir, see, at least there should be 15 students. Then only I can make this arrangement. If 15 more students are interested, I can do for you people. Okay. See, therefore, try to buy the book. See, if you can do it on your own, that is well and good. If you can't do it, then you have to come to me. Okay. Then the other thing is inculcate the habit of making your own personal notes. I told you. ये है ना, बहुत ही अच्छा है. See, इसको कौन करता है ना, उसको बीट करने वाला कोई नहीं रहता. क्या है? You might be scribbling 2 + 2 is equal to 4. You'll go to the instance when you had written that 2 + 2. वो कब लिखा था यार, 2 + 2. वो सब याद आ जाएगा आपको. Okay, and then you will recall the teacher who was teaching that 2 + 2. You will recall it. I'll tell you. That is the reason why we always tell to attend the classes. But you people know you are too brilliant. You don't attend the classes. That is a different matter. Fine. See, now anyway, it is online. You can attend now. Okay. That's see, one thing. You try to attend the online classes and try to make the notes, simple notes. सर ने ये बताया था, इसको ऐसा करना है, ऐसा. Okay, करते रहिए. Then develop the habit of muting yourselves, both video and audio, as soon as you join the meeting. हाँ, ये बहुत ही important चीज है. Whenever you join a meeting, you should mute both audio and audio. कभी मैं बोला ना पहले, क्या होता है? किसी ने डांटते रहता है आपको, ये कहाँ गए रे तुम? हाँ, सबको सुनता है. हाँ, ये वागीश आओ आओ इधर. हाँ, वागीश आओ आओ, सबको सुना. इसको डांट रहा है बोल के. हाँ, इसीलिए you have to meet both audio and video. Okay, then there is a setting in Zoom. से Zoom में आप setting में जाइए, उसमें है कैसा म्यूट करना है बोल के. Okay, you are all experts nowadays. आप ये यूज करता है ना, even आपका ईयरफोन में रहता है. See, try to have earphones. That is the best thing now. ईयरफोन रहने से ना बाहर का डिस्टर्बेंस बहुत ही कम हो जाता है. See, आजकल ईयरफोन्स है ना, 80, 90, 1000, 100 रुपए में आ जाता है. See, spend it यार. What is there? See, 100 रुपए इसके लिए, ये 400 रुपए मैक्सिमम बुक के लिए. 500 रुपए में आप पास हो जाता है. 500 रुपए एक सब्जेक्ट के लिए नहीं लगा सकता है क्या आप? बोलिए। नहीं, देन आप छोड़ दीजिए, आप इंजीनियरिंग नहीं लगा सकते हैं तो नहीं, एक सब्जेक्ट नहीं, 4 सब्जेक्ट के लिए होता है ये सब्जेक्ट, एक लेने से, ये बुक लेने से 4 सब्जेक्ट के लिए होता है। Therefore, it is going to be something like 150 rupees per subject. वो भी नहीं कर सकते हैं क्या? करिए, थोड़ा हेल्प सी, ओके, दैट्स इट। देन सी आप कहीं टिफिन गिफिन जाता है ना, एक बार आउटिंग के लिए जाता है कहीं, हाँ, तब ये खाना के लिए कितना खर्चा रहे? 150। एक सी आजकल अच्छा सा होटल में गया, पहले वो क्या सूप ऑर्डर करता है ना, सूप 90 रुपए का आता है, ओके। Therefore, see, try to spend money on these important things. Then make sure you change your Zoom name. अभी देखा एक ने के लिखा है, ये के कौन होता है मुझे पता नहीं चलता, मैं आई हैव टू मार्क द अटेंडेंस, हु इज दैट के, ओके। Therefore, see, you should write your Zoom name as per your name in the college records. कॉलेज रिकॉर्ड में क्या है, ओके, विथ योर यूएसएन वो रहना चाहिए, सो दैट वी कैन मार्क द अटेंडेंस अप्रोप्रिएटली। अभी क्या है, सी द सी वीटीयू ने बहुत ही बेकार हो गया है, वो सब मांग रहा है, सी आप ये लिस्ट भी भेजना है, वो लिस्ट भी भेजना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, वो सब बोलता है तो करना ही पड़ता है। Therefore, don't put के, हाँ, चाहिए तो आप देखिए, आप सी ज्वाइन हुआ वाला इसमें लिस्ट में है एक के बोल के, पता नहीं कौन है के, हाँ। See, try to have your photo also, okay. If you have your photo, I can identify personally, see, so that it will be something like we can talk to each other personally, see, as good as a classroom kind of interaction, okay. Then page down. Then make a habit of then develop the habit of muting yourselves, both video and audio, as soon as you join the meeting. I told you already. Make sure you change your Zoom name. That also I told you. Make a habit to interrupt me whenever you have any doubts. I told you, even in the class, I tell you many times, but see, only 3 were there in the last class. That was the maximum attendance I had for your say class this time. This is for the first time I'm taking your class. Therefore, uh, always have the habit of interrupting the teacher. See, for me, there is no problem. Hundreds of times you can interrupt me if you have any doubts. Even if it is a slightest of doubts. I told you, no, even if it is 2 plus 2, I write 4. You tell me, sir, how did you get 4? 2 plus 2, कैसे आया 4? हाँ, then मैं बोलता हूँ, पहले डांटता हूँ, क्योंकि 2 plus 2 नहीं आता क्या रहे तुमको, तुम सी प्राइमरी स्कूल को जाओ, लेकिन बाद में 2 plus 2 ये 2 लाइन डालता हूँ, बाद में और 2 लाइन डालता हूँ, हाँ, काउंट करो, 1 2 3 4, हाँ, 4 आ गए ना, हाँ, यस, ऐसा बताता हूँ, okay. Therefore, don't worry about it. And one more thing I'll tell you, whenever, see, we're all family members यार, मैं डांटना कुछ नहीं होता है, मैं आपका पापा का जैसा है ना, हाँ, isn't it? Therefore, don't hesitate to ask any doubts, okay. मैं डांटने से भी मैं कुछ अंदर नहीं रखता हूँ, मैं बहुत डांटता हूँ, पूछिए आपको ये सेक्शन वालों को कितना डांट रहा था, और कितना उसको एक बार उसको मारने के लिए, किसी को मारने के लिए भी गया था मैं, लेकिन वो सब अंदर नहीं रखता हूँ मैं, हाँ। बाद में सी मेरा सी पहले पहले के स्टूडेंट्स है, सर आप बहुत डांटे थे सर, अभी हमको याद आता है आप किस लिए डांटते थे, ऐसा, ओके। सी देयरफॉर कौन डांटता है ना, आपको बहुत प्यार करते हैं, इसीलिए आपको डांटते हैं, ओके। देन you have to have the habit of making all the notes, I told you already, you have to have your own notes. You should prepare the notes on your own. हम लोग को ही दे दो, हम लोग को ही दे दो, स्पून फीडिंग होता है. स्पून फीडिंग करने का ये प्राइमरी स्कूल का चीज नहीं है. Okay, you have to sit with the syllabus and you have to prepare the notes on your own. Okay, then when we teach, you will understand that. We'll also try to give the notes, but you have to prepare the notes. Okay, and see, I'll try to send some of the PPTs, links, whatever is possible in your mobile or system, whenever it is possible. And one more the important thing is you have to join the class on time. And there is no fixed time for attendance. I can take the attendance at any point of time. Say, I'll say, I'm going to start the attendance, taking attendance now. Answer your attendance 1, 2, 3, like that. Therefore, don't think that I'll just log in to Zoom and वो IPL देखने के लिए जाएगा. हाँ, ऐसा मत करिए. See, you have to answer the attendance. Okay, and I'll randomly call the students roll. Sometimes I will not take all the attendance because the attendance will be there on the Zoom itself. I'll just, for the sake of curiosity, I'll just say 42. 42 कौन है? बोलता हूँ, देखिए 42 कावेरी है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Yes. Now, see, that is not proxy. Say I'll mark it. See, if you are not there, that is going to be proxy for complete. I'll say, you are shortage of attendance. You are giving proxy like that. Okay. Absent report generate करने के वक्त मैं करता हूँ. See, therefore, I may not call all the attendances. I'll just, for the sake of taking attendance, I'll call. See some, one or two numbers. Some. See, now I'll call Sachin, son of Shivnath, 18, roll number 18. 18 CV 082. Sachin नहीं है. Absent. I'll mark absent. Then, oh, this fellow is my son. I don't know. This fellow is horrible fellow. Sanket. ये भी है. वो पहले से मैं देखा हूँ. ये तो ऐसे ही है. मेरा बेटा भी ऐसे है, उसीलिए मैं बोला. संकेत 090, roll number 25. वो भी absent. देखो, I'll randomly calling the students' roll numbers at different times. Therefore, don't give proxy. Okay. Then, and see, actually, principal sir has given the guidance for us. We have to send a daily attendance report to the management. Therefore, we'll be sending your attendances to the HOD and then it will go to the principal. Okay. There is a penalty of 100 per class for not attending the classes. This I have started. Okay. See, if you are not attending the classes, there will be a penalty of 100 rupees per class. देखिए, आप सब लोग बाद में लास्ट में आप लोग हम क्या करेंगे, ये है ना, टॉपर्स कौन आते हैं उनको गिफ्ट करेंगे या ऐसा करेंगे, कुछ ना कुछ करेंगे, या नहीं तो हमारा सिविल एसोसिएशन को कुछ करेंगे. See, therefore, you have to attend the classes. There is a penalty. Otherwise, this is also going to be considered for giving your internal mass. If internals are slightly less, if our attendance is too good, I'll give some weightage for your attendance also. हाँ, समटाइम्स क्या होता है, आपको इमरजेंसी रहता है, आप अटेंड कर नहीं सकता है, then you have to take the permission. Okay, if you take the permission, then okay, it is considered as your you are attended. Okay, then all the classes will be uploaded on my channel on YouTube. See, मैं क्या क्या करता है ना, उसको YouTube में upload करता हूँ बाद में. So whosoever misses the classes can watch the recorded session on YouTube. But this has to be done only in emergency. हाँ, ऐसा मत सोचिए सर, ये आपका क्लास तो YouTube में मिलता है, क्यों अटेंड करने का, ऐसा मत करिए. हाँ, सी इमरजेंसी है तो सी बाद में YouTube देखिए. ये किस लिए कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि कभी कभी क्या होता है, आप नहीं देख पाता है या कहीं एब्सेंट रहता है, तब आपको हेल्प करने के लिए कर रहा हूँ. Okay, in around a week or so, I'm going to get a smart board wherein I can write something like a board itself on my computer, so that it will be something like a classroom demonstration. Okay, I'm going to get it. Therefore, it is as good as a classroom teaching. Don't worry about it. Okay, because there is no competition to live teaching. हाँ, लाइव टीचिंग के लिए देर इज नो कंपटीशन. हाँ हाँ, ऐसा बोलने से सर यूट्यूब में तो 1000 वीडियो मिलता है. हाँ देखो, आप आज आज टाइप करो, एक एक चैप्टर के लिए 1000 वीडियो मिलता है. देन सी इसका जरूरत क्या है सर, आपका अटेंड क्लास का अटेंड करना क्या जरूरत है, वो ऐसे ही है. देयरफॉर उसके लिए आप मेरा क्लास अभी अटेंड किया था तो मैं क्या बोल रहा था, डाउट्स पूछ सकता है, आपको कुछ आ रहा है तो नहीं आता है तो वो सब उसके लिए. ओके, देन सी यू कैन आस्क द डाउट्स इन ऑल दीस थिंग्स. सी व्हाट्सएप नंबर दिया है 8600246450. मेल में भी पूछ सकता है wagishsm@gmail.com. मोबाइल नंबर में भी पूछ सकता है मैसेज भेज के. YouTube, you can comment on the videos on my channel. Channel name is Dr. VSM's Civil Lectures. Okay, subscribe the channel to receive all the notifications as soon as I upload anything. Okay, upload करने के बाद आप सब्सक्राइब करिए, आप कमेंट देते रहिए उसके ऊपर, so that I can comment, I can reply to your comments. And one more thing is, see, you should inculcate the habit of reading the textbooks.